Hi Dragons, let me bring this up, oops, sorry. Hi Dragons, I'm going to show you, I made this little coding project, I call it March Madness because we're in March and March Madness is the big college basketball tournament that people love to watch. And so I made this little coding project using Scratch Junior, and this is what it's going to look like. This little girl, she's going to shoot the basketball and she's going to score. Here, just watch this for a second. Okay. She goes, I made a three-pointer, and let me show you how I put this all together. Okay, so first, okay, I went and got my basketball court, which is I come up here, hit this, and this court right here, that's my gym, that's the pitcher I use. I'm not going to put that down because I already got that down. But there's my court, and then I need two sprites. I need a person and the basketball. So the basketball right here, I come up here, and I'll show you my basketball. I just go down here, go down far enough, and there's the basketball right there. Oops, I don't need that one because I already got a basketball. So oops, let me get out of this second. There, and get rid of that guy. Okay, all right. And then the girl, same thing. I just came back here, and when you pick the character, you can use an animal. You can use anybody. I just picked a person. I picked let's see which girl. I picked this girl right here. But you can pick anybody for who you want to shoot the basketball. Okay, and so I just picked this girl, and I put her right back here behind that three-point line. Okay, now. The code for the girl is I did this. So I went and got I'll copy this again. So I got my green flag, I brought this down here. This little clock, this like delays it. And so what I did, it delays the girl speaking because we don't want her to speak after the basketball goes through the hoop and everything. So I played around with it and I got the number 20. So I came in here, here's how you do that. So I touch those numbers, punch in 20. Then I would go get my purple box or my speech bubble. Touch purple, come here, and I would type in, I made a three-pointer. Okay, and I put a basketball, I can put a heart down, put a smiley face, okay? And then I just grab a red block to wrap that up, okay? Okay, now I'm gonna throw this all away because I already got that. I'm just gonna throw this all away. All right, then for the basketball, we need the basketball to move. So first he's going to move these blocks of code right here. Okay, these guys, that gets the basketball moving towards the goal. And this right here, the up and down arrow, that's the ball's going to go up in the air and then it's going to come down. So for all this, I would just come back here again, grab my green flag, and get my blue arrow right here, this guy right here. And when you're right there, change the number from 1 to 8, right there, okay? But you can experiment around it because maybe A doesn't work depending on where. Like if I had the girl back here, then I'd have to make it big. A wouldn't be big enough because A wouldn't get you there. Okay, so just experiment depending on where you're at. You might have to change those numbers up a little bit. Okay, then over here, and then I'm going to get my red block here. Okay, so that gets the basketball going towards the hoop. Then I need the basketball to go up and to come down. So I come back here again. Green flag, I'm going to need an up arrow and a down arrow. So my numbers for this one was I had up going 7 and here and down was going 6. And then I grab a red block again. Okay? Now I'm going to throw that away since I already got that up there. Okay? But once you get all that put together, then I'll run it. And there we go. Boom. I made a three-pointer. All right, and if you want to title it, you can come back up here. I already got to call it March Madness, but you can type in here what you can call whatever you want to call it. Okay, and that is it, boys and girls. Okay, play with that. I hope you enjoy it. Have a great day, Dragons. Bye-bye.